name is Paris Alexandra.
And my name is Alicia Ferguson.
And this is The Right Way with Well+Good. So I'm gonna show you today how to do the right way with Warrior 2. But first, I'm gonna show you some common mistakes we make. So our lovely model Alicia here is going to help us out doing it the wrong way first. Wow. Oh. Yeah. As you can see, knee is definitely going over the ankle. Not good. Chest is poking out. It's doing a lot. It's giving a lot. And then you can also see that her stance is extremely short. How do you feel?
I'm trying.
She's trying. All right, so we're actually going to take a pause and do it the right way. Beautiful, just impeccable. So as you can see, the knee is not going over the ankle, it's right there. The length, the distance between the feet, setting energy there. You go, girl. If you enjoyed that, subscribe to Well+Good, and we'll see you next time.